Do you know the 100 most important math questions for your class 10? Save this video and let's find out. Question number 95. If 3 cot A equal to 4, check whether it's correct or not. Left hand side 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. Right hand side cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, let's start. तो क्या दिया हुआ है 3 cot A equal to 4. So cot A equal to 4 by 3. And if you take reciprocal, we will get tan A equal to 3 by 4. एक trigonometric ratio की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. Based on that we can try the triangle. ठीक है, तो ABC ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करते हैं. A tan opposite upon adjacent, मतलब कि opposite side BC will be 3 units and adjacent side AB will be 4. And if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, you will get AC 5. हमको पता है right, 3 4 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. Correct. तो अब we can calculate any trigonometric ratio. Let's start with sin. ठीक है, sin A opposite upon hypotenuse, BC upon AC 3 by 5. Cos A adjacent upon hypotenuse, AB upon AC 4 by 5. Now let's go to the left hand side of the question, which is 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. So tan की value we know that, let's put that tan equal to 3 by 4. So 1 minus 3 square by 4 square upon 1 plus 3 square by 4 square. So that will give you 4 square minus 3 square in the numerator and 4 square plus 3 square in the denominator. So 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 16 minus 9 7 and 16 plus 9 25. मतलब कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को सिंप्लीफाई करके आंसर कितना आया 7 upon 25. लेट्स मूव टू द राइट हैंड साइड. राइट हैंड साइड क्या है cos square A minus sin square A. तो cos A की वैल्यू है 4 by 5, sin की वैल्यू कितनी है 3 by 5. लेट्स पुट द वैल्यू. 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25. Denominators are same. You can subtract the numerators. 16 minus 9 upon 25. So that will give you 7 upon 25. So you can say LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved.